Hello guys, welcome back to the Food Ninja. Today I'm showing you how to make a quick and delicious shrimp and pepper stir fry that is ready under 10 minutes. This recipe is packed with flavor, loaded with colorful bell peppers, and made with a simple lemon vinaigrette sauce instead of alcohol. If you love easy seafood recipes, this one is perfect for you. Let's get started. So here is the list of everything you're gonna need. Okay, so that is 6 crushed garlic, that is seasoning. You're gonna need half stick of butter. Okay, so you're gonna need the lemon vinaigrette sauce. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So now what you want to do, you're gonna go ahead and cut your onions in big chunks, and then you're gonna separate them for easy and even cooking time. So once you're done, you're going to set this onion aside, and then you're going to go ahead and clean and cut your bell peppers. Okay, so this is how you want to clean all your bell peppers. Okay, please do not let the seeds get into the sauce, because they're going to make it bitter. Okay, so you're going to cut your bell peppers in big chunks. Okay, and then you're gonna set it aside as well. Okay, so now you're gonna go ahead and prepare your thickener. So you're gonna go in with half a cup of chicken broth, and then to that you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, so you're gonna mix it very well, and then you're gonna set it aside as well. So to start with the cooking, you're gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into a pan, and you're gonna allow it to heat up for a little bit. Okay, and then you're gonna add your chopped onions. You add a little bit of salt, a little bit of seasoning, you're going to go in with your cut bell peppers, and you're going to give it a very gentle stir. You're going to stir fry the bell peppers until they sweat out, until they're a little bit softened. Okay, you don't want it to be too soft. Okay, so right now, after letting the bell peppers sweat out, you're going to transfer it into a bowl, and then you're going to set it aside. Okay, so in the same pot, you're going to add half stick of butter. You're going to go in and add your shrimp, making sure each shrimp is touching the bottom of the pan. Okay, then you're going to add your crushed garlic. You're going to add a little bit of pepper, a little bit of seasoning, and a little bit of salt, and then you're going to stir gently for about 15 seconds. So guys, please like and subscribe to the Food Ninja for more easy and delicious recipes. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you never miss an episode from the Food Ninja. So after 15 seconds, you want to go ahead and add the peppers to the pan, and then give it a very gentle stir. So you're going to bring in your lemon vinaigrette sauce, add it to it, give it another gentle stir. And then finally, you're going to go ahead and add your chicken broth with cornstarch combination. Okay, so this is just to thicken your sauce so you don't have a runny sauce. Okay, so you're going to add that to the stir fry and you're going to give it a very gentle stir, and then that's it. This stir fry is ready to be served. Okay, so you can serve this with white rice, with pasta, or you can enjoy as is as a standalone meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more delicious recipe from the Food Ninja. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the very next video. Have yourself a very lovely day. Thank you. Bye bye.